One of the most contentious issues at the hearing was the question of who should bear the brunt of costs associated with the growing impact of climate change. In addition to raising premiums or exiting markets, insurers are reducing the scope of their coverage and passing risks along to owners of both multifamily and single-family properties. In NMHC's June survey, 61% of members reported increasing their premium deductibles to offset higher premiums, while 57% of the insurance carriers introduced new exclusions to their policies, shrinking the scope of covered damage. About 34% of respondents said their insurance coverage amounts decreased this year. National Church residents had 4 carriers to choose from when insuring its national portfolio in 2022, but this year was a different story, Norris testified. 3 of those carriers walked away and left us with a single carrier, and basically take it or leave it in the premiums, he said. Without any relief, owners of the market, both market rate and affordable multifamily properties, are forced to take cost-cutting measures like deferring maintenance and reducing resident services, Norris and Donnelly said. Deferred maintenance isn't just among the most common responses to cost crunch, it also makes claims more expensive if and when those properties suffer damage. Hurricane and wildfire season are in full swing. The winter promises a different set of climate-based challenges, like the 2021 winter disaster in Texas, which Heller testified was one of the most impactful events for insurance premiums in recent history. There is little doubt that the insurance crisis will deepen if current economic regulatory conditions persist, the trio of speakers at Thursday's hearing agreed. Because if there is such a thirst for a public policy solution to this crisis, NMHC is in the early stages to try to identify it, Donnelly said. We've assembled a coalition of real estate groups who are representing the impacted owners to try to come up with a consensus policy solution. Contact BizNow. Illinois secures $2 billion EV. Related topics: National Multi-Housing Council, Mortgage Bankers Association, Doug Heller, National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, insurance premiums, property insurance.